Hello everybody, welcome back. In your chapter Place Value, today's topic is 6, 7 and 8 digit numbers. In today's class, we are going to recall 5 digit numbers. Understand 6, 7 and 8 digit numbers. Read and write 6, 7 and 8 digit numbers using Place Value chart. An assignment. Let's recall. What is the greatest 5 digit number? Which you learnt in the last class. Now tell me, what is the greatest 5 digit number? You know that the greatest number starts and ends with 9. So 5 times 5 nines must be there. How do you read that? Using the periods, you can easily write, right? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. How many nines are there? 5. So I have written 5 place values. Using the periods, you can easily read and write this greatest 5 digit number. So you have to read 99,991. And what happens when you add 1 to this greatest 5 digit number? So 5 times 9 plus 1, you get 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, and your answer looks like this. Now count and see, there are 6 digit numbers. This 6 digit number is the smallest 6 digit number. And you have to read it as one lakh. Smallest 6 digit number is 1 lakh. Now let us see how to write 1 lakh in a place value chart. Place value chart is ready with 3 periods: ones, thousands and lakhs. Lakh is the new period which you are learning in the 6 digit number. And I am writing down the place values. The new place value is lakh. Now let us write the 6 digit number in a place value chart. What is the smallest 6 digit number? How does it look like? So 1 lakh in the place value chart looks like this. You have to read it and write it as 1 lakh. One lakh is the smallest 6 digit number. Then what will be the greatest 6 digit number? How will you read that? You know that greatest number starts and ends with 9. Since it is 6 digit number, there will be 6 nines. So I am writing 6 nines. Now I'll tell you how to read and write this greatest 6 digit number. So in the place value chart of 6 digit number, there is ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. So after 3 9, mark a comma, and after 2 9, mark a comma. Because of ones period, thousands period and lakhs period, separating the periods. Now read it. 9,99,999. Now to this greatest 6-digit number, adding 1, what do you get? When you add 1 to this number, you will get a 7-digit number. Count it. It's a 7-digit number. It is the smallest 7-digit number. How do you read it? Should read it as 10 lakhs. Now let us see how to write this smallest 7-digit number in a place value chart. 7-digit number. Smallest 7-digit number. You already have place values for the 6-digit numbers. You are going to add one more place value in the lakhs period, that is 10 lakhs. And I am writing the smallest 7-digit number in the place value chart, and it looks like this. And you have to read the smallest 7-digit number as 10 lakhs. Then, what is the greatest 7-digit number? For 7-digit number, greatest 7-digit number, there must be 7 9. 7 nines must be there. And how do you read it? After a ones period, mark a comma. After a thousands period, mark a comma. Now you can easily read it using the periods. Last 3 nines comes under ones period. Then 2 9 comes under thousands period. The last 2 nines comes under lakhs period. So how do you read it? 99 lakhs, 99,000, 999. What happens when 1 is added to this greatest 7-digit number? You get your answer like this, which is a 8-digit number. It is the smallest 8-digit number, and you have to read it as 1 crore. Repeat after me. You have to read it as 1 crore. Let's see an example on how to write 8-digit number in a place value chart, and how to mark the periods using commas, and how to write it in words. Consider your question as 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 4, 7, 8. An 8-digit number. The periods is ready. I have written ones, thousands, lakhs, and the new period for 8-digit number is crores. And I am writing the place values. Ones, repeat after me. What are the place values for ones period? Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. You have 2 place values. Lakhs, you have 2 place values, and crores. Crore is the new one for the 8-digit number. And I'm writing down the question under the place values. Now, write the question, write the number properly. We are going to separate this question using the periods with commas. See where the ones period ends at 4. So mark a comma. And thousands period you have 2 place values, that is 3 and 2. After 3, mark a comma. The lakhs period you have 2 numbers, 5 and 6. After that, mark a comma. Now your question is ready with comma to read. 4. 4 is under crores period. So write 4 crores. You have 2 digits, 5 and 6. So read it together. 56 under what period? 56 under lakhs period. Yes. Then what number do you have? 3 and 2. 32. 32 is in thousands period. So 32,000. 32,000. And 4 is under the place value 100. So 400. 78. 7 tens is nothing but 70 and 8. 4 crores, 56 lakhs, 32,478. I hope you all understood the concept of reading and writing 8-digit numbers. Do revise this concept regularly for a better understanding. Clarify your doubts if you have. Meet you in the next class. Thank you, children.